This is a very simple 3x3 piston door in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. It is quite easy to build and is very simple. It can close fast and easy and opens very quickly. This is a very much improvement over my first 3x3 piston door, which wouldn't even close all the way. It would only close sometimes, which is horrible and it required carpets. It is also not as complicated as this monstrosity, because who in the world would build this? It is just too complicated, and the redstone involved with it is too complex. Just who would put a double piston extender with another double piston extender? Who would do that? Like, really? Let's get started, shall we? First, we're gonna put 4 gray concrete blocks and 1 more gray concrete blocks. Then, you're gonna go put 2 repeaters, 1 at 4 ticks. Then you're gonna place another repeater, and then another repeater. All of them are at 1 ticks. You're gonna place a block in between them, and then you're going to place 2 sticky pistons. Now, you're going to place 2 blocks, like so, a piece of redstone dust, and 2 more pieces of redstone dust, another gray concrete block, and another repeater set at 4 ticks. Then, you're going to add 2 more gray concrete blocks with redstone torches along like this. And you need to place that block there. Add an observer and a lever. And that should be your entire double extender complete. So now we're going to begin building the outline, which is pretty easy. You can just do what I'm doing. Now you're going to place 2 sticky pistons parallel from each other, and then 3 sticky pistons on top, and then 3 more sticky pistons in the bottom. You're going to place 3 gray concrete blocks next to the pistons, or 4, and then place 4 redstone dust. You're going to place a redstone repeater, another block, a redstone torch, block, redstone torch, and a block. Then you're going to go place blocks along where I place them. Like this. You're going to add your redstone dust and follow until you hit the piston on the right. And that is your entire door complete. As you can see, it can close very smoothly and quickly. Here I have an example of what the 3x3 piston door can be helpful for. This is my house, and this is the 3x3 piston door, which leads to an enchantment room. You can also put a portal or anything else you choose. Thanks for watching my video. I hope to see you around soon.